Okay, so here's a hint for part C. So let's read part C. While at the concession stand, Mr. Townsend sees that the large tub of popcorn is $7.50 and large drinks are $6 each. Use your answers from part A and part B. Write an expression that represents the total cost. Then substitute the values for the popcorn and the drinks in your expression. What is the total cost for the evening? So back to my example where we're looking at the dogs at the dog park. So what we want to do is let's give some values. So um, at the dog park, large drinks cost $3 and treats cost $2. Write an algebraic expression for the total cost, then substitute the cost of the drinks and treats in to find out how much Mr. Lawrence will spend. So the way we find out this total cost is we can take our algebraic expression from part A, 9 plus 2d plus 3t. So I'm going to take my part A answer, 9 plus 2d plus 3t. And then that's the cost of just me, my wife, and my dog to go. $9 for admission, 2 times the cost of our drinks, plus 3 times the cost of the treats. And then if I add to that the part B, because that's how much I'm going to spend on the 2 neighbor dogs. My part B was 2 times t minus 3. So I'll have 2t minus 3, where I'm buying 2 treats for the neighbor dogs, but they gave me $3, so we're subtracting that 3. So if I combine these two, the answer from part A, and I combine it with the answer from part B, I'll have an algebraic expression that represents how much I'm going to spend in all. So all we're going to do is combine our like terms. So we have 3t and 2t, so that would be 5t. And then we have 9 and, we gotta do our change, 9 and negative 3, so that would be plus 6. And then we haven't done anything with that 2d, so we do plus 2d. So here's our final algebraic expression. But this doesn't tell me exactly how much I'm going to spend yet. It just lets me have an equation, so now I can quickly substitute in my values for the treats and for the drinks. Then I can simplify and solve. So let's bring this up here. And we'll say 5t plus 6 plus 2d. And we know how much the treats cost. The treats cost $2. So that's telling me that t equals 2. And we know that the drinks cost $3, so then we know d equals 3. And now we plug in. Now the one thing we need to remember is that anytime a number, a coefficient, is next to a variable, that's multiplication. So we can write in our multiplication like that. Now we'll plug our numbers in. So we have 5 times 2 plus 6 plus 2 times 3. And now we use our order of operations to solve this. 5 times 2 is 10. Bring down my plus 6. And then I can go ahead and do my 2 times 3 is 6. Add all 3 of these together. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So what we want to do is we want to set up our algebraic expression by combining parts A and part B, and then substitute in the given values from part C. We substitute it in, and then we simplify. So hopefully this hint helps you with part C video of our performance test.